The Dow Jones took yet another major hit to start off this trading week, falling by more than 600 points and falling below the pivotal 11,000 mark for the first time since November, as the downgrade to the U.S. credit rating by the S&P late Friday kept investors concerned with the global economic outlook. Now, for the first time since November, the Dow Jones traded below the pivotal 11,000 level. This as investors continued to worry about the slowing global economy after last Friday's downgrade of the U.S. credit rating from a AAA to a AA+. Investors everywhere appeared to be focusing more on safer haven assets and getting out of those higher yielding ones, with gold prices now touching a new record high, trading above $1,700 an ounce. Crude oil prices dropped by more than 5% intraday on future demand concerns, and the S&P continued its downgrading today, downgrading Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, as well as other agencies linked to long-term U.S. debt. All of this led to a sea of red here at the New York Stock Exchange, with roughly 92% of all the stocks traded, roughly 7.8 billion shares, all being on the downside. Taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out the first trading session of the week, it is in the red, obviously, 634.76 points to settle in at 10,809.85. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Bank of America, falling nearly 14% today. This after AIG filed a suit against the bank, claiming that it sold the company overvalued mortgage-backed securities. And also on the downside, shares of Verizon Communications Incorporated down nearly 4%. This after it was unable to come to terms with roughly 45,000 workers on healthcare costs, pensions, as well as other issues.